Allow me to read the consent of the class. Dr. Elmas Colleges Incorporated, Wakas, Bukawi, Bulacan, College of Nursing, presents this Certificate of Appreciation to Honorable Euphemia C. Octaviani for her invaluable contribution and unreserved participation as a commencement speaker during the 45th commencement exercises with the theme Moving Towards Quality and Patient-Responsive Healthcare Through Socially Relevant Education and Instruction, given the 7th day of December in the year of our Lord 2010 at Meeting Room 4 of the Philippine International Convention Center. Signed, Leonora M. Willis Reyes, DNS, Dean of the College of Nursing, Professor Michael S. Yanga, MBA, Vice President for Academic Services, Dr. Edgar S. Yanga, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Elida Z. Yanga, Executive Vice President, and Dr. Marciano S. Yanga, President. Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your time with us. Of all the characters that are part of the commencement exercises, the graduate is the most vital of all. For it is because of him and for him that such rights are enacted. To give, in behalf of our graduates, the batch's response, Mr. Gerald M. L. Ventura, the President of the graduating class.
Members of the administration, our honorable guest speaker, faculty and staff, fellow graduates, parents, and guests, good afternoon. First of all, I would like to thank God for giving our parents who have loved and support us all throughout our nursing academic career. Our parents who nurtured and guided us. Our parents who become our role models and taught us to choose right from wrong. Our parents who always take into consideration our concern and became sensitive with our feelings. Our parents who provided and sacrificed everything for us. Our parents who worked abroad and strived for their families. Our parents who never left us